Welcome, now I am going to demonstrate Info Unfold Cards widget from Essential Classy Add-ons for Elementor, formerly known as EC Add-ons. From Dashboard, click on Essential Classy and then Widgets. Now click on Essential Category, and make sure Info Unfold Card widget is enabled. Now drag and drop Info Unfold widget. In this widget we have 4 boxes. First shows default and rest 3 on click. And for mobile we'll convert this unfolding box to. In Content tab, we have front, back left, back center and back right. In Front tab, we have title with H1 to H6 options. By Enable Separator, there are line at bottom of title. In Content we have Editor or Lists options. In Lists you can manage dot style. In Inner Box, like left, right or center, you can manage box link. In General option, you can manage width of box. Also, you can manage background. Also, you can manage content alignment as per your needs. In Style tab, we have general or separate styling option of each box. In Separator style, you can manage color and its width for normal or hover state with animated line. Let's check it out. Sample layout of Info Unfold Card widget. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe our channel for more video.